What's up YouTube, it's Pro Custard here. I went to my locals yesterday and I came second with my KS No Night build. I'll have a link just on the left hand corner. So I won 18 packs, so it's just under $1, but I'm not really bothered by it. Hopefully I can get some pull like Evil Swarm Carrion so I can start playing Evil Swarms again. Or Mecha Phantom Beast or Gauchavad, because I was borrowing my friends. And I'm not really too worried about Drago stacks or Judgment, but let's see what I can get. Alright. Alright, let's see here. Huh, Mega Raptor. Alright. Got my first holo, Mega Raptor. Pretty happy with that. Because I do want to make Mecha Phantom Beast. Why does Drago stack have to be such an expensive card? Whoops. Whoa! Sacred Swords of 7 Swords. Nice. That's 2 holos, wow. I'm on a roll, guys. Please leave a comment below what do you think of my packs. So far, I think I'm doing pretty well. Tempest! $9 card. Pretty excited about that. 7 Swords. About $13 last time I checked. Let's see if I can get something good again. Tether Wolf. Actually a really good card in Mega Phantom Beast. When he's summoned, you can special summon a token, which works well with Mega Raptor. If you have Mega Raptor on the field beforehand. What do you guys think? Like, should I do a deck profile of Mecha Phantom Beast? Because I want to. They look amazing. Nothing. Just very Chugo. Strange art. Ooh. Rank up Magician's Barrier. This card actually looks pretty useful. I might use it. Anyway, because I got 18 packs, there's probably a good chance that I could probably get every holo. Maybe not like all of them, but a good amount. Yoke. Redox! And a Baby Dragon. It's alright. Another expensive card. Okay. Rhino Mind Drain. I swear this card's gonna become so helpful. Just like Soul Drain, which wasn't helpful when it first came out, but it did come helpful in the end against a lot of gut decks, really. Mermails, Dark Worlds. Yeah. These packs are a lot easier to open. Green Dustons. If you guys haven't seen the Duston deck, I suggest you watch it on YouTube. It's so good with the OTKs. And just Dark Fairy Chugo. Ooh. What's that, 11 more packs? Yeah. Can I get something amazing in the 11th pack? Just a rare. Buffalo. Looks amazing. Go thrift shopping. Feeling lucky, yeah? That still counts as $9. Feel the luck. Alrighty. What was that? Shark Fortress. 69! I don't know why people want that. Just for the lols, I guess. No secret or no ultras. Just 2. Oh, my mistake. 1 ultra, 2 supers. Can I get A secret? Wheel of Prophecy. Such a weird card. If you guys want to notice that I play music in the background, leave a comment below and tell me what song you would like to hear while I open packs or do magic tricks. If you haven't seen my channel yet, I do magic tricks. This card might come in handy in the future. Alright, 4 packs left. Can I get an ultimate or a secret? Who knows, maybe. If I get a secret. Hopefully. Or Karakirion. Redox! Again. 3 packs left. Alright. Dual barrel. I thought it was a there was something else. 2 packs left, guys. This one feels lucky. Alright. Blaster. Huh. 3 supers. And another blaster. Oh wow. Last pack, guys. Wish me luck. Alright guys, I'll do a one quick recap. Alright, finish the recap. I got 2 Redox, 2 Blasters, 1 Tempest, 1 Battling Yoke for those Battling decks, the sneak peek promo, which I was so surprised that I got that. Oh man. 1 Mega Raptor, was keen on that. Sacred Sword of 7 stars, am happy. And 1 rank up Magician's Barrier Force. I actually kind of like its effect, but who knows, it probably will come in handy with the release of the Number Hunters booster box, but I don't know, can't be certain for sure. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like always, comment in the description below, and subscribe for more pack openings, deck profiles, and magic tricks. And if you haven't seen my magic tricks, I recommend searching my channel because they're amazing. Alright, then guys, have a nice day.